Today I'll demonstrate how to install Image Resizer Pro from Pro Sizes. I'll start by opening Photoshop. I already have on my computer Image Resizer Pro in an earlier version. I just received my email from Pro Sizes with a link to install the upgrade, so let's do that now. Here is my email from Pro Sizes, the developer of Image Resizer Pro, and I'll click Get My Files, and I'll click Download, and then I'll go to my Downloads folder. And here we see the folder Pro Sizes Image Resizer Pro. And I will double click this file, and you see I have the option here to replace the current version. I'll continue, and I get this message. This plugin has been developed by a third-party developer. So this is from Adobe. I'm going to click OK, and it's now installed. It's that easy. Let's now go into Photoshop again. I'll have to close Photoshop in order for it to launch the new version. And now we'll go back into Photoshop. And here it is. Let's make sure this is the new version. We have path selection here. Select a file path or a folder path. So that's one of the major features in the new version. Now we can work on a single file, or we can select a folder with multiple files to work on in Image Resizer Pro. So there you have it. We'd click Start and we'd be on our way. That's how easy it is to install the new version of Image Resizer Pro. Thanks.